The City Chevrolet Company. This is the building we are now reviewing. Sometime in the mid-1930s, John T. Vance Sr. established the City Chevrolet Company. The location he chose was the building we know today as the Nagel Service Station. His son, John T. Vance Jr., was to operate the dealership. Business was going well, and later on John T. Jr. needed help. Mr. Vance Sr. called his son-in-law Ernest Shade to see if he would be interested in joining the business. Mr. Shade accepted and started to work around 1940. This is the earliest picture we have showing the building and the Chevrolet sign. This picture shows Mr. Ernest Shade on the left with a customer in front of the business in 1941. This 1951 parade picture shows the business in the background. This was taken near the end of the business in the old building. In November 1952, the City Chevrolet Company moved into their new building across the railroad track at 202 South Wells Street, which is also Highway 111. These next three pictures were taken in December 1952, showing different sides of the building. These next three pictures were taken a month later, January 1953, showing customers in the showroom looking at the brand new 1953 Chevrolets. This is a later picture showing John T. Vance Jr., who would soon leave the company to pursue other interests. This is a later picture of Mr. Ernest Shade. When John T. Vance Jr. left the company, Mr. Shade ran the business several years by himself. Later he called his son-in-law, Bill Buchanan Sr., to see if he would join the company. Bill accepted and worked with Mr. Shade for about 5 years, when in 1970 Mr. Shade had a heart attack and passed away. Bill Sr. called Gerald Parker, a family relative, to see if he would join the business. Gerald accepted and moved here from Florida. In 1990, Bill Sr. wanted to go back into education and called on his son Bill Jr. to take over his part of the business. This picture shows Bill Jr. seated on the right, signing up as an authorized Chevrolet dealer. Gerald Parker is seated on the left. In 1996, a decision was made to add Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep dealerships to the business. When this happened, a name change was required and the name was changed to City Motors. Bill Jr. and Gerald ran the business another 5 years, then Gerald decided to retire. Bill Jr. ran the dealership until 2008, when he closed the business and moved to Victoria. In 2008, Mike Fay, Robert Sitka, and Dan Poole leased the building and ran an automobile repair shop in the rear of the building. These pictures were taken in 2019, showing various locations in the building. The repair shop closed in 2024. The building is still owned by the Buchanan family and is used for personal projects.